Someone said that if you work like a machine, you will be replaced by a machine. I think that this really perfectly fits for B2B. If you have sellers that they don't contribute with value in their relationships with clients, probably they will be replaced by artificial intelligence. On the other hand, if you have sellers that they are able to do the right questions to move from their comfort zone to their clients, this is going to be very valuable for your business. Those decisions are going to be taken by sales managers or general managers. General management need to really understand and organize their processes and teams to face what is coming.